Last October, the United States announced an investigation on the Honduran Rosenthal family for alleged money laundering. 3 days after the announcement and without any formal sentence, the National Bank and Insurance Commission of Honduras ordered the closure of the Continental Bank, property of the Rosenthals, and many others of their companies. Many assure that the procedure was incorrect, and the National Congress has asked for a special report.
The report has already been presented. We don't have to approve it. It is just a chronology of the events that happened with the Continental Group. I think it was a good report. I think that the National Bank and Insurance Commission, as well as the General Prosecutor and other institutions, have learned, and we hope that this won't happen again.
In the last 2 years, 22 persons have been captured for direct participation in drug trafficking and money laundering. In none of the other cases has the Honduran state acted so fast on taking control on the property of the accused. For lawmaker Doris Gutierrez, who was a part of the commission of the special report, many of the irregularities found weren't presented.
They acted with complete negligence. They even violated some articles of the law of bank and insurance. They didn't do preventative measures, and they continue acting incorrectly. The person in charge of the closure claimed that there were 500 million lempiras, $25 million, taken out of the bank right before the closure, while the bank was showed that instead there were $25 million deposited. So you can see that there's a big disorder, that not even the person in charge knows if the money was taken out or deposited. And this is why there is no confidence in them or in the people they named.
The Rosenthal family is the richest in Honduras and one of the main leaders of the political opposition. 2 of its members are currently on trial in the United States, and at the same time they are preparing an international lawsuit against the Honduran state for abuse of power. The closure of the Continental Group could also mean the dismissal of 11,000 workers all around Honduras. Gerardo Torres, teleSUR, Central America.